Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode is this cool amazing product right here in my hand, and basically what these are is some disposable face masks. And the way how they designed this face mask is very similar to the KN95 mask. So you can see right here, these are the KN95 masks. And once you guys put it on, you just have to go like this. Put it throughout your ear, you definitely get a very nice secure fit to it. One push it in. And this is basically what it looks like for this one right here. You guys adjust it if you need to make it wider or whatever. Now let me actually open up the other one to show you guys what that one looks like. So if you guys take a look at the back part right here, you can see that they actually show you guys how to put on the face mask itself and some safety features are noticed here as well. But let's actually open this up first to see what the product looks like and what comes in the package first. Alright, so when we open up, this is basically what it looks like inside. So they pretty much provide you guys a very similar mask that looks like the KN95 mask. But they also provide you guys something else in here. Let me take it out. Alright, so you can see that they provide you guys some hooks right here. So basically what this is for is to actually put around the face mask. So in a way you guys can call it like a face mask hook to make it more secure. So you can see they have different levels. So the more in you guys go, the more tighter it is. So if you can see, they provide you guys 5 of these right here, which is pretty awesome. Now let's actually take a look at the face mask itself. Alright, so this is basically what it looks like right here, if you can see. So this one comes in a pack of 20 of these. I'm just taking out one of them to show you guys what it actually looks like first. Alright, so this is what it looks like on this side. And that's what it looks like on this side. Let me put it on. Alright, so once you guys put it on, this is basically what it looks like. So when I put on this one, it definitely feels a lot more secure and a lot more tighter. If you can see, it's pulling my ear on the side. So that definitely is a good thing. So that way it's more secured. But this one actually is not as tight. If you can see, it's literally pulling my ear to get a more secure fit. But just by using the product itself, it definitely is secure. And what's really cool is that the fact of how they designed this part right here, it actually had a lot of space to kind of breathe compared to the one that I just showed you guys right here. This one doesn't have as much room to breathe compared to this one. And then when I try to breathe through this face mask right here, I literally don't feel anything. So definitely something to note about this product is the fact that it is a non-medical face mask. So if you guys are trying to look for a medical face mask, this one is not a medical face mask. Only thing that kind of doesn't feel comfortable is the strap itself, because it's like, you can see how it's pulling my ear like that. That's only an issue for me. I don't think that's an issue for everyone. Just because of the way how my ear is, it just doesn't have enough support to hold it up, if you can see. And for this face mask, it actually has 3 different layers. So it has these 3 different layers, if you can see right here. So for this one right here, if you guys want to use it, what you guys want to do is go like this. You just want to hook it around here, whatever fits best for you guys. And then that way you can actually put it around your head instead of on your ear, and makes it a lot more comfortable if you guys want that option. So if I put it on right here, let me show you guys what I mean. Alright, so I got the hook on. So I'm using the other face mask, which is like KN95 and not the one in the package itself, because this one's a lot more looser, so this one actually works better with this one. The one that they provide for you guys right here in terms of the package one is actually much tighter, so I don't need to use this one. So all you need to do is just put the hook on together, just like how I showed you guys, and just wrap it around your head. If I turn it around and show you guys the back side, that is basically what it looks like in the back side, if you can see. So that is basically how you guys use the hook itself. It definitely is super useful and super helpful, so that way I don't actually need to strap it around your ear like this. It actually will go behind your ear onto the back part to give you guys a more comfortable fit and more secure fit as well. So that is basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that we did unboxing and testing the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I would definitely have to say that this is actually really worth it if you guys want one or need one of these, especially if you guys are trying to look for a more comfortable and a more better fit of a face mask that's disposable as well. Then these are definitely worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have need one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for quick unboxing and testing the product itself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. It'll definitely help this video and channel out. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.